Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello friends, imagine how tough life would be if a single drop of rain weighed 3000 kilograms. Terrible, is it? That is how raindrops look to a mosquito. An individual raindrop is about 50 times the weight of the mosquito, and the drop falls at the speed of 35 kilometers per hour. So friends, put yourself in the mosquito's shoe for a moment and step outside into the downpour of gigantic raindrops. Can you imagine how it feels? It is almost like being hit by a heavy truck. Even then, these tiny insects can survive countless raindrop collisions. How do they do it? Let us see today. When a raindrop falls, it pushes some air in front of itself in the form of tiny pressure wave. When the raindrop gets closer to the mosquito, the pressure wave pushes the mosquito by side because of the mosquito's small mass. And that is a huge escape for the mosquito. But by chance, if the mosquito gets it directly, what happens? There are two scenarios. One, the mosquito gets hit in the legs or wings. In this case, the mosquito simply rotates and quickly regains normal flight. 2. The mosquito gets hit on the entire body. Here, the mosquitoes get hit hard and drops a little downward, maybe 5 to 10 centimeters. But it just happens for a fraction of a second. As the mosquito is much lighter than the raindrop, the resulting force on the mosquito is also small. So, the mosquitoes use their wings and long legs as miniature sails to lift themselves before they crash into the ground. This means they are in more danger when they fly at 10 centimeters or fewer from the ground. So, the mosquitoes are able to fly in the rain because of their small mass, water refusing body, and air pressure wave in front of the raindrops. Hope I have given an interesting video for today. Until next video, with love, Jeshu.